Assalamu alaikum students, this is your computer teacher Iftikhar Ahmed. Today the topic is what is an operating system. So dear students, an operating system is a program that controls the execution of application programs and acts as an interface between the user of a computer and the computer hardware. When we turn on the computer actually reads the hardware through the help of the operating system. Sometimes it has been noted whenever we just change the RAM, we change any hardware device, the computer directly gives the message that the keyboard is not attached, the USB is attached, or the mouse detected or not detected. So such things are being done with the help of the operating system. An operating system is a software which performs all the tasks like booting the computer, file management, memory management, and controlling the peripheral devices. Now the question is, for example, what is the booting of the computer? The booting, when the computer starts, when the computer turns on, the computer boots. That booting is called starting of the computer. When we turn on the computer, we do have the CPU which is also called a hardware, right? So in a hardware, what we have the motherboard, we have the hard disk, we have the power supply, we have the graphic card, we have the RAM, we have the hard disk, etc. So these all the things are being firstly read by the operating system. When these all the things are okay and are ready to use, the computer starts with the help of the operating system. Without the operating system, a computer cannot be started. So dear students, for example, there's a file management. What is the file management? What does a file management do in a computer or in an operating system? When we turn on the computer, right, there's a black screen and the logo comes, whatever the company we have purchased the thing. For example, we have purchased the Dell computer or a HP, Sony Vaio, etc. The logo comes, right? After the logo coming, the computer says Windows is starting. After the starting, a user, someone who's using the computer has given the authority to make changes in the Windows. For example, we create the folders, we install the applications, we play the games, we play the music. We need some softwares to use the operating system is helpful, right? So file management can be done also. For example, a user has an authority. What he can do, for example, he is being creating the folder to store his data by the category, the audio, the images, all the videos. All the file management is also done with the help of the operating system. The memory management, for example, we have RAM, we have the hard disk. We store the data with a category of a large or a small file individually. The operating system also controls the peripheral devices. What are the peripheral devices? For example, we attach the printer, scanner, mouse, keyboard, USB, other peripheral devices. All the cables are also called the peripheral devices. The common system we had in an operating system are DOS, Windows, Linux, Unix, Android, Mac, iOS. The Microsoft company, it just launched in the year 1990s. The DOS, the disk operating system, it was only command prompt operating system. A user was only given a keyboard where he was using the command to create a folder, to save the data, to delete a data, to change the directory. All the things were done in a single line operating system. After the multi-user operating system, what exactly happened? It gave the GUI, the graphic user interface. But in a previous time, how the DOS was working? The DOS was working like giving the instruction where you have to just give the instruction to copy and give the command to the particular area where you will store your particular data from one place to another place. So dear students, you just came to know what is an operating system. Students, if you have any question regarding the operating system, you can ask in this comment. This is your computer teacher, Iftikhar Ahmed. Allah Hafiz.